real-life insights of a company meeting have made OKR a little more understandable for you. I would also like to share with you some tips in case you want to hold a virtual company meeting. Make sure that you send the participants of the meeting into a virtual session with reflection questions given to them in advance. This saves time and creates more focus. One such reflection question could be, "Dear OKR company members, please think in advance of which goals will be relevant for us in the next quarter, considering the mission, vision, and strategic roadmap, and our backlog." Don't forget to link those files in the mail. Plan the virtual session and create a precise timeline. As online meetings tend to be more tiring, the meeting should not last longer than 4 hours. Breaks after max 60 to 90 minutes are a must, so take this into account in your agenda. Use energizers, maybe a small constellation exercise or an easy workout exercise. This will help you to raise the energy level among participants. Facilitation in the virtual space is more challenging than on-site. Make sure your energy level is up and bring drive and motivation into the meeting. A few words about tools. In my experience, MS Teams or Zoom are tools that work well in virtual collaboration. Make sure that everyone has their cameras on so that you can read facial expressions, which makes moderation easier. What is important now is your virtual brainstorming tool, which is to replace the moderation cards. The brainstorming and facilitation processes remain the same. They are supported and visualized by means of the virtual tool. In the resources section of this e-learning, you will find a guide with our tips and experiences from the past years on how to organize a professional company meeting. If you have further questions, feel free to contact us at okr@mdi-training.com. We will get in touch with you and help you with your questions. Your role as OKR facilitator is very important during OKR meetings. In the next video, I would like to share the key characteristics of this role with you. See you in a minute.